Yep, it's Turkey Day, Thanksgiving, November 28th, 2024. And we're cooking turkey, and I have a couple of moments before I have to get ready for 3 o'clock dinner and company, but this is what I was working on. So what we did is we used the wire wheel brush, cleaned all this up, and we used our grinding wheel. And you can see I tried to grind this, but it's too much grinding. So I made a spacer for some scrap metal. That's going to go in there. So this is the C channel for the cart. This sits on top of it. And you can see that the welds hit that. So what we're going to do is going to put this spacer underneath, and then that will take up the gap, so it'll sit nice and flat. So I wire wheeled all of these pieces up. So next thing to do is we're going to set up to paint. Get a nice coat of black Rust-Oleum on this, and then assemble and test it out. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces to paint. I do have black Rust-Oleum gloss, but I have found that when I use Rust-Oleum with a brush, it goes on, I don't know if it's thicker or whatever, but I find that it usually holds up better. And we have our vent going to outside, so probably not now. We'll do that maybe after dinner tonight before I go to bed, or tomorrow morning, and let it cure, and then maybe we'll give it a second coat. We'll see how it does. And since I have been pretty excited about my welding job, as gnarly as it is, I'm looking into buying a welder to do some other small projects at my leisure, either in the basement or the garage. The garage is cold, right? It's not heated, so it's going to be like 20 degrees. So maybe I'll weld down here. But anyways, I'm looking either to get a Lincoln MIG 211 or a Prime Weld 180, I guess. You know, something to be said for brand names like Lincoln or Miller, but then again, that's a lot of money if I can get quality for a reasonable price for a starter gig. You know, like I'm not welding every day. So that's what I'm researching.